Hey everyone, it's been a little while since I've done a stationery haul video. As a matter of fact, I looked it up and it was October of 2025. Ironically, that one was also from TaoThings. So I have been doing pretty good on my low buy. It's like all my stationery buys went down and all my K-pop buys went really high. But for the most part, doing pretty good. I've got things here or there like Year of the Horse, stickers, stuff like that. But this is the first package type deal I've gotten in a little while. And I'm sorry if I just shook the camera. So it's not a lot. It's just 7 things. But I thought I would stop and share them with you. So here we go. This is so cute. So cute. This is DavidCooksLove. I have a lot of the stuff, and then she also always puts a little letter in her packages, which is really great. I also clocked this little loose stamp. Hilarious. Okay, so like I said, it's not a lot of things, so let me get all this stuff out of the box here. So we can do the easier one first. So again, DavidCooksLove. I love these little cats. This one really reminds me of my cat Posy, which sometimes has made an appearance here. She's my little tripod cat, and again, Year of the Horse stuff, I'm absolutely loving it. So I am going to put this on my Year of the Horse binder tab. I think I was putting it on the monthlies, on the back of the monthly. Yep, so that's where all of my Year of the Horse stickers are going, is on the back of this monthly tab. So I can't wait to put this one on. All right. It's kind of an awkward design a little bit to make sure I didn't bend anything. Clearly I needed to have saved room in a different way. I think like this works. Well, it better because the legs just went down, so it's happening. Oh, perfect. It fits. So cute. Let's do these sticker sheets really quickly. So these were listed as some of her destash items on her site. This cat, I'm gonna have to put that on something. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at the little deer. I think these are technically sold out now because again, they were just a destash of kind of like her private stash, but I was really excited to pick these up. They're so cute. Look at their little faces. Oh, so good. Also, I have the names of the artists for all of this stuff, but I will have a very hard time pronouncing the vast majority. So when I show something, I'll make sure to put the artist name at the top. I'll probably also put it in the description below so that you can check that out if you're interested. And just because TaoThings might not have something, it doesn't mean that another site won't have it either. All right, this is something that I had in my cart for... little kitty cats on everything. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to get all of these off and put them on my daily... Oh good, this one's coming up. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Oh my... I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that was so loud. But look at these. They're kind of hard to see because they're a little bit light. But that is hilarious. I love this Don't Talk to Me. This is like how my week is really for sure for reals going. All right, this one I had in my cart for quite a long time. Let me zoom you in just a little bit if I can. There we go. Wow, the green of this looks like a poker table or something. I had these in my cart for quite a while because I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but they are just so cute. They're little kiss cut trees, and I love the whimsy of them. And the coloring of them, they're just so cute. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Maybe I'll decorate the weeks with them, the weekly views with them. I don't know, but I'm glad I pulled the trigger. This is definitely not one of those, ooh, I need it, but it was just really cute, so I wanted to snag it. How does she close these? How does she make these envelopes and close them? I kind of don't want to. Well, we'll just rip into it, I guess. I wonder if I can save that picture. that's on there. How about we start getting smart and we cut it? Look at that. Brilliant. I haven't, like I said, I haven't done one of these in a long time. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is the Filmstrip ones. That little rubber band really wants to stick on there. Come on. Come on. All right, there we go. So these are really thin Filmstrip PET tape. Aren't those so cool? Maybe I can decorate my photo a day book with them. I just thought they were really neat because usually when you get these, they're like the whole frame window thing, and I didn't need that. Yeah, usually when you get them, they look more like the whole frame, but I've never seen just the sides before. So it's, sorry, it's stuck on my finger. So it's quite a few of them, and then just a long continuous roll of them. I like this one with all the different kind of rainbowy oil slick kind of colors. This one's purple, kind of orange, white and black. I also like the fact that the I don't know what it is, the teeth holes, maybe what you call it, but I like the fact that it's different on each one. Oh, this one doesn't have any, but like you can see the size difference in each one of these. That's cool. I also like this one. Oh, that's neat. This one says, believe in yourself. Don't give up and don't give in. Thanks for those words. I needed them. All right, up next, let's take a look at this Ding Ding order. Ding Ding recently came out with a big 365-day set of rolls, and I almost got it, but I have so much of her stuff, I couldn't pull the trigger. But I did find myself here in the wintertime wishing I had more winter pictures, and I didn't have one of hers. So this is a roll, not a roll, a loop, a full loop of kind of the winter one. This is 43. Can I get you in any closer? Oh yeah, that should make life easier a little bit. Sorry about the glare, but this is that roll. So these are all kind of winter scenes. Not winter scenes, but like girls in coats, beanies, parkas. I like this one taking the picture. A little bit of snow, which not cold enough for that here in my part of Florida, but it did get cold enough for it in the northern part of Florida, right at the Georgia line. Last month, I think it was. Ooh, I like this pastel one. Usually her stuff is like really bold. You can always tell it's got these really bold, rich blues and reds. Oh, I like that one a lot. That one's cute. All bundled up. And this has been so long since I've rolled out a roll of PET tape on a camera. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, this is so cool. I can't wait to put these in my book and use them. I did find it so weird that I really didn't have a lot of winter ones. I have all kinds of seasons of her stuff, but not the winter ones. Up next, we have this one, which I believe is like the record frames. I had been looking for a really good one with records or tapes and things like that so that I could put on some pages. I've been noodling on trying to make like concerts that are coming up or just the K-pop stuff in general, because when you buy a K-pop album, it comes with so much stuff. And so I kind of wanted to make some, I'm scared to do it, but I kind of wanted to tear some of those books up and make kind of like scrapbook pages with them. So I've been looking for one, and she happened to have this one, and I really liked it. Here, is that good? Yeah, that's good. So they got albums, they got an old record player. pianos, record player, MP3. There's going to be a lot of these. I didn't expect this loop to be this big. Once again, I didn't actually read the length of the loop or anything. Oh, wait, hang on. That's 2 loops. Isn't it? Oh, no, it's different. Oh, they're different colors. Check. Oh, I can't show you. Check it out. Look, it goes from colored, like, oh my goodness. Can you see this? Colored and then black and white below it. That's interesting. Yep, so now it's all black and white. That explains why the loop's so big. Oh, and then back to color. All right, so now is it a duplicate? Ah, yes. Yes, it is. Did I get 2? Oh, I did get 2. Never mind. Okay, so we're good. So the loop is from the colored kind of sepia sort of tones to black, and then there's 2 of them on here. So why don't I go ahead and... Where did we find the loop? Where did it start? It started with these headphones in this blue, right? Okay. So let's go ahead and... Oh, I should have been able to tell. The name is right there. Let's go ahead and make a cut there because I will take these guys and put them in my book. All right, this one I feel a little bit guilty showing because this one isn't really available on her shop, but once upon a time, Kim, sent something to me, an order to me, and this little stamp was put on one of those label stamps. So like on one of these, this was stamped on it, and I fell in love with this so much. And but it was available from overseas, and the shipping and everything was just really cost prohibitive for me just to buy this one thing. But she remembered and reached out when she placed her next order, so that was really cool. So I'm going to take this little cat, I'm going to grab this red magic here, and since I'm filming this on Lunar New Year, why don't we go ahead and stamp in Tuesday. Oh, perfect. And it's red too. Wow, that is extreme close-up. Okay, there we go. Let's just put him right here. Oh man. Okay, worth it. Love it. That is awesome. Okay, let me show you guys what all this stuff looks like and how I store things, like in these big books. So let me get everything organized, and then I'll show you what it looks like as my storage unit for PET tape and things like that. All right, so here's a quick look at how I organize things like my PET and my stickers. Well, less my stickers, mainly PET. My stickers tend to go in folders like this from the Coffee Monster Co. So I would put them in here and kind of travel and go, except the stickers I got with this order are too wide. And I'm not really using the wide envelope I have, so I just took them off and put them on. So that sounded stupid. Took them off and put them on. I took them off of their paper and put them onto sticker release paper. Yeah, okay. So at the front of my desk, I have a bunch of these plastic binders from Amazon, nothing special. But I do label them, right? So this one is Ding Ding and People, which is probably pretty blurry because the camera probably doesn't know where it's focusing. But this is full of all of my PET tape that I have that's from the artist Ding Ding, right? All these people. So cool. And so with this newest one, I love it when they're kiss cut. It makes it easier. Although there is something, I've said it before, I'll say it again, there's something very therapeutic about just zoning out, listening to an audiobook or music and just cutting PET tape. But regardless, here we are. So this is that same PET tape that I showed at the beginning of the video, this Ding Ding 43. And this is what it looks like once it is put in the book on the sticker release paper. The sticker release paper is also something I picked up from Amazon. I'm not too particular on the ones I use. I do have, sometimes you'll see, oh, here's a good example. Can you see the color difference? These more yellowish ones are more matte, And then the whiter ones like this are very high shine, but they both work equally well. So that is my organization for the new Ding Ding one. And then I kept this one open for the trees because for this one, it's kind of like flowers and abstract stuff. And then also I keep some of the random sample pieces from washi tape and stuff on the front page of this. So these are things that have come in orders. These were actually really big stickers that I used my paper punch to do. Oh, I don't think I ever showed you guys this one, but this is one of the newer ones that I got. I just like it because all the little tiny cats. Anyway, like I said, this is my flowers and abstract. So we won't do a full flip through here, but I thought trees aren't necessarily flowers, but they're close enough and I don't have a book of trees. So this will work just fine. That is that one. A side note, if you guys ever find any PET tape that has red foiling, drop it in the comments because I want to go check it out. I am, this sounds so stupid, but I haven't used these yet because I love this red foiling so much. And it's like, once I use it, it's gone. So I want to find more that have that pretty red foiling on it. Okay, this one is my seasonal numbers and hobbies. Not seasonal numbers, but seasonal, comma, numbers, hobbies. Okay. Oop, look at my mat. My mat is just showing. There we go. All right. I think I put it at the end. Yeah. Okay. So this falls into the hobbies, by the way. This is my little kind of music section towards the end here. I have a lot of, there's a reading one here, and then I have a lot of these that are music related. This one doesn't look it, but it's in the little circles. And so I put all of the color one on one paper. It fit perfectly. And then all of the black and white one on another. And I'm not going to lie, I kind of wanted to make them look exactly the same. But I was feeling a little bit too neurotic. I got to about like right here on this one. And I was like, what are you doing? Just put the stickers on the paper. All right, last but not least, this one happens to be my cats and animals. So every time I open this, I love these so much, but I just haven't used them yet. They're the kind of weird, like, texture. Anywho, I think I put, oh yeah, here's the deer. So these were on 2 sticker sheets. This was from here to here was a sticker sheet, and from here, and then the few that are on the back were a sticker sheet. But like I said, it was just an awkward size, so I went ahead and put them in the book. All right, wasn't that fun? Let me know if you guys want me to go through and make a video that's just kind of like how I organize a bunch of different things. I've made one in the past. Happy to make another one if you guys are interested at all, just to let me know. Oh, this is a different kind of binder. You can see by the strap, and then it doesn't have the little heart thing in it, but also from Amazon. The reason I have them in a bookshelf that grabs them, like to hold it, is because they're so slick, they'll just slide everywhere. Because I used to try to stack them this way. And that, it doesn't work very well. Okay, well that is a weird end to this video, but if you like this content, please thumbs up. If you really like it, please subscribe. And also, YouTube has this new thing with hyping videos. I think you can hype it 4 times within the first 7 days it's uploaded. And yeah, if you guys wouldn't mind spending your hype points on my video, really appreciate it. Okay, thanks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.